sa tarmac. Ferry. There's Daddy Ben. Yan, nasasakyan namin. Punta kami na. Where are we going, bebe? Gladstone. Cantas. Aakyat na kami. Wow, ferry. We go up and away. Hey guys, nandito kami sa lounge ng Cantas, Brisbane. So, ito rin lahat dito. So, pwede kami mag-shower, mamaya pa ulit yung flight namin. Magtatay. Wala, shit pa. What time is our flight? 7.
7:45.
7:45 pa ang flight namin. Then, hello. You're gonna, don't hold up like that.
Yeah.
You're gonna fall.
Yeah, you'll break the table as well.
Ano si Boss?
It's on the front.
Ano siya ng orange? Orange juice ng tatay. Parang ano pa. OFW lang sa Philippines. Libre pagkain. Why we buy food outside and then instead we come in here?
Yeah, you could do. They don't normally have very good,
Huh?
very good selection.
Ano? Ayaw daw flight. Libre pagkain dito guys. Pero okay na yun.
I don't think they have chips.
Bumili kami ng kumain kami sa labas. So, siguro tumain lang dito sa Daddy Ben. ECR. Kaya pa ulit ang flight namin. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Nandito pa rin kami sa port. Waiting for the plane. Bebe?
To go to Gladstone because I've had enough of waiting. This will definitely take 73 years.
Delayed kami ng how many hours, Logan?
73.
When did we set up?
No, delayed.
2 hours delayed, I think it was. Terrible.
2
I don't know
hours.
how we're going to get a taxi at that hour.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully there's a taxi.
Siyempre yung susundo namin dapat is may susundo and ngayon wala na. Kasi siyempre gabi na. Ilang oras na kami makakarating ng Gladstone. It's too late. What time will arrive Gladstone then? So 10.
Meant to be like 10 minutes to 11.
Huh? How come? How many hours? How many hours in flight?
An hour flight.
Oh, an hour pa pa.
Like 9:50 to 10:50.
OMG to the highest level. Kamatis na. Diba? Hindi ka pa rin kami. Just pa rin
I have to bring up. Oh,
Complain to the.
pero hindi naman kami nagugutom kasi nandito kami sa Cantas Lounge. Still. So, later, masaan ko kayo ulit. Bye. So, bigyan kami accommodation ewan. Pero nag-antay kami ng 2 hours. So, yun, nagagalit na sila. Ganun talaga.
Where are they going?
So, then, meron kami accommodation na binigay nila. Free taxi rin. So, ayan. Collect time namin. And rebook ang aming flight for tomorrow. Bili ka na alas 5. alas 8 at 11:30. So, grabe. Wala 7 flight namin dapat. Wala na anong oras na. 10 something. Ay, loba. Mamaya, nasa hotel na kami. Bye-bye. Guys, papunta na kami sa accommodation. Sa beaches.
Are you from China? China?
Beaches.
Where? Afghanistan?
We're just going to tayo accommodation namin.
Never been there.
So,
Hear a lot about it.
flight is 8 in the morning. Bukas.
Yeah, I thought you lived on the
Nakita ko yung room.
north of China.
Pero Regis kasi
I worked in China.
so it's dilim. Madilim. Bye-bye. So, nandito na kami
We're at the
sa
hotel.
Regis. Yeah, Regis Brisbane Hotel. And it's, what time is it, Feb? It's 11 something na ba talaga?
About 10 o'clock.
No, it's not. It's 11.
11.
Yeah. So, tired na kami. Ayan si Daddy ko. Ayan si Daddy Ben. Nag-ayos ng booking namin. So, Daddy talaga. Yes. Bago pa yung flight namin bukas. Our flight is 8:30 tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Going to flight. So, tiring naman. Nakakainis. First time ko itong na-experience talaga. Na makancel na lang. Makancel na ng ganito. Nakaka-drain. Grabe. Malis kami ng bahay. 1:30. Tapos 9. Okay, akit lang kami guys. Wait lang. Thank you. Dito na kami sa Labalod. Ay, Dada. Come on. Going up.
Nice.
Oh. Turong mo ang tarito. Baba. Spetch ba ikaw to? Oh my God. Yes, man. Antok na si Bebe. Tari ako. Oh, ano ba na namin, Bebe? At the end. Huh? 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 Yeah, maybe. Regis is nice, so
Yeah, it's better than the other one, I think.
I like Regis.
Oh, you want to push through? Card in there. But there's two, so
Oh, that's nice.
that's the other one.
Ito yung room namin, guys. Ayan, okay. Ang ganda naman, Bebe. At least maganda yung room namin, guys.
We'll have a good sleep.
Yeah, you're gonna have a good sleep. I think double queen. Matulog ka na. I want to. I'll check pa rin. Nagugutom na talaga ako, guys. As in, super gutom na ako. Wait lang. Check ko lang yung menu. At least nakarating na kami dito sa accommodation namin. Wait lang.